Same. I'm looking for a new gun. Same. But they all look the same. Same. So I need to go somewhere where they do things a bit different. I'm looking for something different, something new, something revolutionary. And FX Airguns of Sweden have told me they've got just that and asked me if I'd like to take a tour. I said yes, and I'm going to take you with me. Come on then.
Welcome.
On my way, trying to find my new rifle, you simply have to stop in what would be the gun room of dreams. It's exquisite in here. There's everything. And there's things that you've never seen before. Can you spot them? This is the sort of room where you can sit and have a cup of tea and admire your work. However, I've got no time to stand and stare and drool. I need to move on. I've got to find my new gun. This is an industrial 3D printer, and it enables FX to produce working prototypes overnight. This is the FX laser engraving machine, and it's responsible for all the designs and emblems on your blocks and tubes. That's Linda. This is one of FX's many CNC machines. It runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, just to keep up with demand. And these computer-controlled machines enable FX to give you that brilliant finish to the blocks and other components. Enough with the tour. Let's find Frederick and show you my new gun. And here it is. This is the UK specification 12 foot-pounds FX Impact. It comes with a removable carbon fibre bottle, interchangeable barrels, non-FAC is 177 and 22, an 18-shot magazine, and it's supplied in a sturdy FX carry case. The scope and mounts and bipod are optional extras, but necessary ones at that. And yes, you can convert this from 177 to 22 just by changing the barrel. Talking of barrels, you're going to want to know, does the shroud extend? Yes, it does. And when it's like that, the rifle barks. And when it's like that, it whispers. The other thing to note on the barrel is that if you are going to change the caliber, you do have to change the probe at the back end. And that's a 30-second job with an Allen key. So if you buy this in 177, you can get the optional barrel and turn it into a 22, and vice versa. The grip is an AR style grip. And let me tell you, there are hundreds of them on the market. So if you want to change the style, colour and feel, it's very easy to swap them. There's something else I want to show you, and it's all about the shot count. FX claim that from a 250 bar fill with the Impact, I should be able to get around 720 shots out of a full charge. Now that's with a 2.2 rifle, sub 12 foot-pounds. I'll say that again, 720 shots. I've loaded 40 magazines, each with 18 pellets, and I'm putting that to the test. And that's it. That was shot number 720. Yes, I said 720. Where have we finished on? We're just above 60 bar. So from a 250 bar fill down to 60 bar, I've got 720 shots. I didn't do it all on my own though. Frederick helped as well. But he likes to go a lot quicker. And those 720 shots are consistent, which means every single one is usable. No more wasted air. Me likey. The FX Impact is coming to the UK very soon. You need to tell your gun shop that you want to see it. You want to feel it and you want to shoot it. Why? Because this is a game changer.